Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide all Facebook posts to only me setting. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further doing, let's jump into video. I hope you can see my mouse pointer here. First, you need to open Facebook in your smartphone. Then you can see there is a three lines or sometimes it will be profile icon in top right corner. Tap on it. Then you need to scroll down little bit until you find setting and privacy. Then tap on it. Then again you need to tap on setting. Then you need to scroll down little bit. In the audience and visibility section, you can see there is option called profile and tagging. Then tap on it. Okay, there are a bunch of options here. The first one is who can post on your profile. Currently it is set as friends. You can choose to only me. Then second one is who can see what others post on your profile. That one also currently changed to friends. You can change it to everyone or only me or specific friends. It's up to you. So I change it to only me for now. And in the tagging section, who can see post you are tagged on your profile. That also can see friends of friends. You can change it whatever you want. And again there is a option called what you are tagged in a post. Who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it. That also change to friends, and you can change it to only me. Okay, so that's all I want to show you today. I hope you gain some information and knowledge from this. So thank you very much for your watching.